Yo, what's going on? It's Every Penny Counts. With this app Greedy, I'm going to show you guys how you can get paid just to download apps. I'm also going to cash out maybe $3, you know what I'm saying? But the thing is, you're going to get paid easily just to download apps and do a couple spins. I'm going to show you my routine on this site very quickly. You see at the top, I have 4,285 points. First thing I do is my lucky spin. So you can do, I think, pay me like 10 of these a day. Your first 2 are free. Then to keep doing the spins, you have to watch a video, let the ad play. But just click on spin, and let's see if I win something real quick. Yeah, I win something on this one, so I probably win like 5 points. Yeah, 5 points. Then an ad will play. You just click out the ad when it's over. So let me do that real quick. All right, so I did that. Push OK. You can do it again. Spin, like I said, you get 2 free. Then after that, for every spin that you do, you have to watch a video, but you get the point. So I'm gonna close, and then I'm gonna show you what you do here. You just install apps. That's all I do on this app. I don't do anything else. It's just basically install apps. They have a list of all of these apps you can install and get points for. You know what I'm saying? Very easy to do. Some of them you have to do some steps or whatever, but a lot of them are just download the app and receive the points. You know what I'm saying? I'm still scrolling all the way down just to show you. I'm just click on one, Words with Friends. Look, all installed and open. That's all you got to do. You get 54 points for that. Very simple. Going back out, just doing some more. Let me see, reverse side. Just with this one, install. Same thing, just install and run it. Basically, just leave it open for like 2 minutes, or whenever you get credited your points, and then you can close the app. Or if you don't want it, you can delete it off your phone. But it's just that simple. That's all I do in this app. Is I do the lucky spins and I download apps and just get paid to do that. It's very simple. It takes me like 5 to 10 minutes to use this app and make easy money with it. So now I'm gonna show you what you can get as far as cash out. So click on your balance here, and this is an app that anybody in the world can sign up for. I'm in the United States, but if you click here, it'll show you all the places that you can be at, all the places, things like that. But you can also just click worldwide. So anybody, doesn't matter where you live, you can actually use this app, and it'll show you the prizes. You can get a Steam gift card, things like that. But mainly PayPal is what I go for. I'm just showing you the other gift cards they have, but PayPal is definitely the one that everybody loves. So you can see here the amount of points you need to have in order to cash out. A minimum of $3 is to cash out. And you see the points you have to get. But you saw all those apps on there, so you should really have no problem in getting $3 like in the first day or two. So just showing you the points. I have enough to get a $3 gift card, so I'm going to click on that right there. Then I have to put in my email and all that good stuff. So let me do that real quick and I'll be back. So I put in my email, and you see here I got this message: a reward should be delivered as soon as possible. So it'll probably take maybe a day or so, but it doesn't take that long. And if I go back up to the top, you see my points went down to 390. So just another app that you can download. Like I said, the link to it will be in the description. You can use my link so you can get bonus points to sign up. All you're doing is doing lucky spins and downloading apps. It doesn't get any easier than that. So I highly recommend this app. It's worldwide. Doesn't matter where you live. You can definitely use this app. Add it to your routine. It only takes like 5 to 10 minutes a day to use, and just let your money pile up, and get a minimum of $3 you can cash out. So like I said, sign up today. Link is in the description. Get started with it. Download apps. Easy money. And always remember, every penny counts.